If you execute buy trade at this place, then you will make a very good profit. Now you can easily find out about buy trade and sell trade in this market. But 99% of the people who had generated profits in the market before this, come to this position and lose all their profits. And you are one of those 99% of people. So you have to decide whether you will watch the full video or not. So you see this position, we will execute the buy trade. First of all, we have to see the trend of the market, which will tell us the super trend indicator. After that, we will get the confirmation to execute the trade from the Henshik-Hasi indicator, which will be blue in color. And while executing the trade, the indicator at the bottom should be green in color. And you have to set your stop loss on the super trend indicator. And if you think that the stop loss is too big, and you will lose a lot of money if you lose, you leave that trade and wait for other good signals. And we will book our profit on this position. You can see the indicator here, which has become red in color. And you have to move your stop loss with the super trend indicator. It is very easy to trade in this market condition, but you will rarely see such a market condition. So let's know in which type of market conditions you will have to trade mostly. You must be seeing 3 market trends here. And you can execute your trade on only one of these 3 market trends. You can see the moving averages at both these places. And here you can see all the indicators together have created a perfect signal. Here, after executing the trade, we will set our stop loss on the super trend indicator. And with the super trend indicator, we will be moving our stop loss upwards. We had to slowly move up our stop loss with the super trend, which has just been hit. So we will book our profit here. Now I will tell you about one such situation that you will get to see in every trade, then listen carefully. Now I will tell you about one such situation. Like here, all the signals were generated and we executed our trades here. And we placed the stop loss on the super trend. And we slowly brought our stop loss down with the super trend. But you see in this position the market crossed the super trend and went up and came down again. After that, the market came down a lot, but we didn't make a profit. So one thing you have to do is when the market closes the super trend indicator and moves up, and your stop loss is hit and then the market comes down again, you have to execute another trade on that position. And you put your stop loss at the high of the previous candle. I hope you must have understood how to handle such a situation. So you almost know how to use this indicator. You can use this indicator as much as you want. You can use it in any market and at any time frame. And you can see it after market. How great is its result? When you do use this indicator in the live market, then believe me, you will get great profit. And you should always keep one thing in mind when you use an indicator, then use it with full discipline. And when you have a loss on a trade, then you should rest for a while after that. By doing this, you will not be able to overtrade to recover it. And whenever you see the market trade at 90 degrees like this, then you will not use this indicator for a long time after that. Most of the time after the market goes up like this, the market moves sideways for some time. 0% spread and no hidden charge, world cheapest broker, link in the description. So first of all, compare your trading platform with this my trading platform. Because the trading platform you are using right now eats up your profits. Don't be stupid, choose a good trading platform whose link I have given in the description below. I hope you must have liked this trading setup. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.